Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis of the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily analysis on the important forex currency pairs like Euro, USD, USD Japanese Yen, Euro, um, Pound, USD, etc. Okay. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Japanese Yen for today, 2nd March 2021. So you can see that market is trading at 128.72 as of now. Okay, and just by looking at the chart, you can see that market was in good uptrend. After that, there was a good fall, and market came down to 128.20 level, and market is trying to go up again. Okay, but things are not very clear in this chart. Is not it? Okay, we do not know whether we should buy or sell. So let's switch over to the 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame, we can see that market is beautifully taking support at the 50 moving average all the time, and we can see that just by taking support at the 50 moving average, market has bounced beautifully and trying to go up again. If in fact the stochastic RSI is also in a very sweet spot. Okay, so right now I'll tell that this is a good position to go ahead and buy. Okay, at 128.7 level. This is a very this kind of position is very good to initiate a buy position. This particular trade, I cannot tell you with 100% guarantee that this will make you money, but usually this kind of trade in the long run will always pay you. Okay, always it will always pay you. This is a very sweet spot. Okay, we nobody knows what will happen in a market. Okay, nobody can give you 100% guarantee, but this kind of setup will always make you money in the long run. Okay, so if you ask me, then I'll tell you that yes, you can go for the buy position in this price range. Okay, because market in the 4 hours time frame, market we can see the market is still in uptrend, and market is taking support at the 50 moving average every time. And again, after this fall also, market came down to 50 MA, took support and trying to go up again. Okay, so this is a very good position to initiate the buy order. Okay, and if you want a sniper entry, okay, then you can what you can do is that just switch to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, right now in the 1 hour time frame, stochastic RSI is in overbought zone. Okay, let the stochastic RSI come down to the oversold zone, and let it come down to oversold zone, and when the stochastic RSI indicator will try to move upward in the 1 hour time frame, remember, okay, then you go ahead and hit the buy button. This, that will be your sniper entry. In my words, the word sniper entry is very famous in forex trading. Okay, in recent times, that's why I have used the word sniper entry. Okay, so you can also do that. The let the price come down to oversold zone. When it will move from oversold zone, then you can take the buy position. Okay, because 4 hours in the 4 hours time frame, we can already see that market is taking support at the 50 MA, and it is in a very sweet position to execute the order. Okay, execute the order here and put your stop loss at 128.12. Okay, just keep your stop loss below this candle. Okay, and initiate the buy position. So Euro JPY is in a very sweet spot to buy. So this is the simple analysis of Euro JPY for 2nd March 2021. This is it. Thank you so much. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. You can also check out my YouTube video forex analysis playlist for other analysis of the currency pairs for today. Okay, I'm sorry for not making a professional video. Actually, I do not get time to edit my videos. I simply record the videos and I upload it. That's why the quality is very poor. Okay, I'm extremely sorry. Sorry. If you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.